Mother's prey has come at precisely the right time for this pride. Their latest cubs are still small, but they'll have a good chance of survival with this start. It's good to see the elements ushering in the season, as if on cue. In this time of plenty, the lions are set for an easy month. They can relax and spend time merging and unifying the pride. They will need this strength come the onset of the looming dry season. After it's gone, the rain leaves pans of water out on the grassland. Many animals have been drawn away from the Bateti by these temporary pools where the grazing is better. The elephants' waiting days are over. The water they crave has arrived, and having this much at their disposal is like manna from heaven. The Makgadikgadi Pans' barren, inhospitable landscape makes it seem a poor cousin to the lush neighbouring Okavango Delta. But the dramatic conditions under which its inhabitants live and labour make their tale well worth the telling. They are bound to roam the vast, dry, open wilderness where the quest for water is paramount. For the plucky survivors, a gift of great wealth awaits. And having gone through this rites of passage, it's all the sweeter.